God. They spread joy in all the seasons. They are like flowers in the garden. Hello, hello, hello. Here we are with the bundles of surprises on the special day of yours. Children's Day is celebrated as a tribute to our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was fondly called Chacha Nehru. He had immense love for children and he had a strong belief that children are the future of our nation. Happy Children's Day to all our superb, energetic and rocking stars of our school. A very warm welcome to our beloved students, respected director, dedicated coordinators, teachers and all our wonderful staffs. So as we have gathered here to celebrate the joy and spirit of Children's Day, let us all enjoy. Usually we see students coming to the stage and giving performances for the teacher. Yes, but today it is the payback time. Yes, your beloved teachers are ready to give the performances and they are truly fun-filled. So my dear children, are you all ready to give the cheer for your teachers? Let's make some noise. 3, 2, 1. Now I welcome Praveen sir on stage to sing a soothing song for all of us. I welcome you, sir.
ಬನ್ನಿ ಮುಡಿಯೋಣ ಬಾರ ಕೋಲು ಕೋಲ ಚಿನ್ನ ತರುವೋಣ ಬಾರ ಕೋಲು ಕೋಲ ಕೋಲ ಚಿನ್ನ ತರುವೋಣ ಬಾರ ಕೋಲು ಕೋಲ ಬನ್ನಿ ಮುಡಿಯೋಣ ಬಾರ ಕೋಲು ಕೋಲ ಚಿನ್ನ ತರುವೋಣ ಬಾರ ಕೋಲು ಕೋಲ ಕೋಲ ಚಿನ್ನ ತರುವೋಣ ಬಾರ ಕೋಲು ಕೋಲ ಊರ ಸೀಮೆಯ ದಾಟಿ ಕಾಡ ಗಡಿಯನ್ನು ಸೇರಿ ಕಾಡ ಸಂಪತ್ತ ತರ ಬನ್ನಿ ಊರ ಸೀಮೆಯ ದಾಟಿ ಕಾಡ ಗಡಿಯನ್ನು ಸೇರಿ ಕಾಡ ಸಂಪತ್ತ ತರ ಬನ್ನಿ ಬೆಳೆದ ಬೆಳಸಿಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಭೂಮಿ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಬೆಳೆದ ಬೆಳಸಿಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಭೂಮಿ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಕಾಡ ಸಂಪತ್ತ ತರ ಬನ್ನಿ ಕಾಡ ಸಂಪತ್ತ ತರ ಬನ್ನಿ 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 ಮುಡಿಯೋಣ ಬಾರ ಕೋಲು ಕೋಲ ಚಿನ್ನ ತರುವೋಣ ಬಾರ ಕೋಲು ಕೋಲ ಕೋಲ ಚಿನ್ನ ತರುವೋಣ ಬಾರ ಕೋಲು ಕೋಲ ಅರಸನ ಅಂಗಳಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಸ ರಂಗ ಹೊಯ್ದ ಹರಸಿ ತಂದಾನ ಸಿರಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅರಸನ ಅಂಗಳಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಸ ರಂಗ ಹೊಯ್ದ ಹರಸಿ ತಂದಾನ ಸಿರಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ದೇವ ದೇವರ ಬನ್ನಿ ದೈವ ದೈವದ ಬನ್ನಿ ದೇವ ದೇವರ ಬನ್ನಿ ದೈವ ದೈವದ ಬನ್ನಿ ನಾವು ಮುಡಿಯೋದು ನವ ಬನ್ನಿ ನಾವು ಮುಡಿಯೋದು ನವ ಬನ್ನಿ 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 ಮುಡಿಯೋಣ ಬಾರ ಕೋಲು ಕೋಲ ಚಿನ್ನ ತರುವೋಣ ಬಾರ ಕೋಲು ಕೋಲ ಕೋಲ ಚಿನ್ನ ತರುವೋಣ ಬಾರ ಕೋಲು ಕೋಲ ಬನ್ನಿ ಮುಡಿಯೋಣ ಬಾರ ಕೋಲು ಕೋಲ ಚಿನ್ನ ತರುವೋಣ ಬಾರ ಕೋಲು ಕೋಲ ಕೋಲ ಚಿನ್ನ ತರುವೋಣ ಬಾರ ಕೋಲು ಕೋಲ ಚಿನ್ನ ತರುವೋಣ ಬಾರ ಕೋಲು ಕೋಲ ಕೋಲ ಚಿನ್ನ ತರುವೋಣ ಬಾರ ಕೋಲು ಕೋಲ ಕೋಲು ಕೋಲೆ ಕೋಲು ಕೋಲಣ್ಣ ಕೋಲೆ ಕೋಲು ಕೋಲೆ ಕೋಲು ಕೋಲಣ್ಣ ಕೋಲೆ ಕೋಲು ಕೋಲಣ್ಣ ಕೋಲೆ ಕೋಲು ಕೋಲಣ್ಣ ಕೋಲೆ ಕೋಲು ಕೋಲಣ್ಣ ಕೋಲೆ ತಾರೇನಾ ತಂದಾನೇನಾ. Thank you.
Let's warmly welcome our respected school director, Dr. Joyita Chatterjee, to share her thoughts on this special occasion. I welcome you, ma'am.
Happy Children's Day to each and everyone present here. And happy Children's Day to all the teachers who have kept the child alive in you. Happy Children's Day to all of you. I always believe that each child which is in me and the child who is sitting there, both are very good friends. And that's why our teachers and the children are so much in loving relationship with each other. I always wish you to be lovely, energetic, joyful and happy. May God bless you with whatever you want to do in life with that dream. May all your school teachers always love you and keep on loving you wherever you go. None of you should grow out of your school actually mentally. Wherever you reach to the sky high, the child in you always should be like this, joyful, enjoying every moment of life. That's Sachitra Kutan, and that's all of your teachers also. I won't take much time because you are eagerly waiting to see your teachers performing on stage. So all the best to all of you. Be happy, enjoy your day. Once more, happy Children's Day to all of you.
Thank you so much, Joyita ma'am. Thank you so much for inspiring all of us. Up next, our lovely teachers who usually teach lessons in the class are ready to set on the stage. Are you ready? Yes. Let's welcome our prep division, amazing teachers on the stage with a loud round of applause. I request PLA ma'am and team to come on the stage.
Happy morning, children. How to wish the teacher? It is the way to wish the teacher. Wish properly. Wish properly, children. Happy morning. Very good. Sit down. Yes. So what we did yesterday? No. What are our classroom rules? What are our classroom rules? Lata, can you tell me? Lata, can you tell me? Yes, Lata.
Raise a silent hand to answer, ma'am.
Very good. Children, are you listening to her? Listen to her. What she said. Raise your silent hand. Yes, Bhargavi.
Keep your hands to yourself, ma'am.
Very good. Very
Thank
good.
you, ma'am. Thank
So you know classroom rules, right? Yes. You should follow the classroom rules. Yes, Shruti?
Shall I go to washroom, ma'am?
Yes, you may go. Yes, Hamza?
Yesterday you thought us matter, ma'am.
Okay.
Can I drink water, ma'am?
No mass answer. Yes, Kancana?
I want to go washroom.
How to speak, Kanchana? Talk properly.
Okay, ma'am.
What you want to do?
Want to go washroom.
No washroom. Can you wait for 5 more minutes?
Okay, ma'am.
Just now you went, right? Go and sit. Can you wait for 5 more minutes? Okay.
Shall I get in, ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, shall I
Get in. So children, can you wait for 5 more minutes?
Drinking water.
Later.
Ma'am, too thirsty, ma'am. Too thirsty.
Okay, go. You have to come fast, okay?
Thank you.
Yes. So, no Vipita after 5 minutes. So, what we did yesterday, what we were discussing yesterday. Yes, Deepa?
Matter, ma'am.
Very good, Deepa. Can you name 3 states of matter? Yes, Piali, you can come in. No mass answer. Raise your silent hand.
Ma'am,
No mass answer.
Ma'am, you didn't
Yes.
ask me.
So, yesterday we discussed about 3 states of matter, right? Which are solid, liquid, and gases. Very good. Hands down. Yes. So, what you are doing, Piali?
She's playing with chair. No, ma'am, no chair.
Stand up. Stand up. Stand up, Piali. What you are doing? Repeat what I said.
My eraser.
Repeat what I said.
Ma'am, that is my eraser, ma'am.
No.
Look at yesterday she
No.
took
Sit
that.
down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Repeat what I said. Repeat what I told just now. You have to listen to the teachers, right?
Okay,
You should
ma'am.
listen to the teachers.
Okay, ma'am. But this is my eraser.
Okay, okay, fine. Sit down. Yes. So, you all are listening to the lesson. You are very quiet, very good children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Yes, yes, Vibita.
It's not easy to be a teacher, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, teachers handle us with patience, ma'am.
Yes, very good.
We troubles a lot, ma'am.
But they still love us.
Yes, and you are the children is the reason for us to smile every day. Okay? Yes. So, never forget learning is fun when we love and respect each other. So, mutual respect is mutual growth. As you all listening to me and you are very quiet, I will have a very interesting brain break, okay? Yay! Very good. Stand up, everyone. Stand in line.
As our teachers told, whatever it might be in the mind, we all smile because of you children. Thank you so much for entertaining us, teachers. Thanks a lot. I now invite Pranamya ma'am to the stage to perform a graceful and energetic fusion dance. Let's welcome her to set the stage alive. I welcome you, Pranamya ma'am.
ಹೂವಲ್ಲಿ ಜೇನು ಗುಡಿ ಕಟ್ಟದೇನು ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀನು ಅಡಿ ಮುಟ್ಟದೇನು ಆ ದೈವದಾಜ್ಞೆನೇ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸು ಈ ಬಾಳನು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿಸು ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸು ಈ ಬಾಳನು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿಸು ನಾಳೆಗಳ ದಾರಿಯಲೇ ನಂಬಿಕೆಯ ಸಂಚರಿಸು ಹೂವಲ್ಲಿ ಜೇನು ಗುಡಿ ಕಟ್ಟದೇನು ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀನು ಅಡಿ ಮುಟ್ಟರೇನು ಆ ದೈವದಾಜ್ಞೆನೇ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸು ಈ ಬಾಳನು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿಸು ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ
झूमे गोरी चली कहाँ चोरी चोरी हवा से है बंधी डोरी रे झूमे गोरी चली कहाँ चोरी चोरी हवा से है बंधी डोरी रे शर्म छोड़ी थोड़ी थोड़ी नैनों की है बोले छोड़ी प्रेशर नहीं करने दे झूमे गोरी चली कहाँ चोरी चोरी हवा से है बंधी डोरी रे
Wow, wow, wow. It was a power-packed performance. Do you all agree? Yes, thank you so much for this energetic performance, Pranamya ma'am. Our teachers are truly multi-talented. They guide, they inspire, and also they entertain. To add on more sparkle to this, now I invite Vishakha ma'am to set the stage on fire. I welcome you, Vishakha ma'am.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं हर कोशिश में हो बार बार करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ
घोड़े जैसी चाल हाथी जैसी तुम ओ सावन राजा कहाँ से आए तुम घोड़े जैसी चाल हाथी जैसी तुम ओ सावन राजा कहाँ से आए तुम दुम छक दुम छक दुम छक दुम छक दुम
चंदा चमके चम चम चीखे चौकन्ना चोर चीटी चाटे चीनी चटोरी चीनी खोर चंदा चमके चम चम चीखे चौकन्ना चोर चीटी चाटे चीनी चटोरी चीनी खोर
इतना मुश्किल ये गाना जरा गा के दिखाना चंदा चीनी
चमके चाटे
चौकन्ना चीखे चोर
चंदा चमके चम चम चीखे चौकन्ना चोर चीटी चाटे चीनी चटोरी चीनी खोर
Woo! Wow! That was amazing performance. Thank you, Vishakha ma'am. Now, let's keep rhythm going. Let's keep the rhythm going. I invite Supreet sir on stage to present the soothing song to all of us. I welcome you, sir.
ಬಾನಿಗೊಂದು ಎಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನಿನ್ನಾಸೆ ಗೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊನೆಯಿದೆ ಏಕೆ ಕನಸು ಕಾಣುವೆ ನಿಧಾನಿಸು ನಿಧಾನಿಸು ಬಾನಿಗೊಂದು ಎಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನಿನ್ನಾಸೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊನೆಯಿದೆ ಏಕೆ ಕನಸು ಕಾಣುವೆ ನಿಧಾನಿಸು ನಿಧಾನಿಸು
ಅವನ ನಿಯಮ ಮೀರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸಾಗದು ನಾವು ನೆನೆಸಿದಂತೆ ಬಾಳಲೇನು ನಡೆಯದು ವಿಷಾದವಾಗಲಿ ವಿನೋದವಾಗಲಿ ಅದೇನೇ ಆಗಲಿ ಅವನೇ ಕಾರಣ ಬಾನಿಗೊಂದು ಎಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ From the veins, taking my medicine from the veins, seeing the beauty through the pain. You made me a believer, believer. Thank you.
Wow, that was so amazing, right? Yes. Thank you so much, Supreet sir and Surya sir. What a joyful and memorable Children's Day celebration it has been. Each performance, each smile, and each cheer made this day truly special. On behalf of the entire team, I extend my heartfelt thanks to our director Joyita ma'am, Chairman Chaitanya sir, our coordinators, teachers, students, and our support staff for making this event such a grand success. Once again, Happy Children's Day! Have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you so much once again.